Whaatwaa. Oh my gosh, it's nighttime. Oh my gosh, Whaatwaa family, it's nighttime. If y'all don't know nothing, it is what we call this, daylight savings time. So it gets dark now. Like normally I do my videos when I get off of work, but it gets dark now. Look, it's dark. It's dark everywhere. But I want to show y'all where we about to go right now. Let me show y'all real quick. This is where we about to go today. Today we are about to go to Chipotle. Chipotle. Y'all about to try some Chipotle, man. So let's go ahead and get it. Alright guys, my bad, man. It's your boy Mr. Talk, man. This was my Halloween mask, man. So you know, Halloween is over, so this was my Halloween mask. It's pretty scary, right? Yeah, that's pretty intense. Can you see it? It's pretty intense, man. It's a scary mask. But anyways, Halloween is over. So, alright, so guys, we about to get into it. I just went to Chipotle. So I just came back from Chipotle. So we're about to try this Chipotle out. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Chipotle, but what they saying is supposed to be 10 times better than everybody else. That's what they saying. That's what they saying. So I'm gonna try it, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'll tell you right now, this thing, hold up, guys. I want y'all to check this out. Hold on, this is heavy. This is super, super heavy. Like, let me pull it out for you guys. This is heavy. Trying to figure out what's going on. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. We don't need this. Get that out the way. Look at that. Just look at the size of that. Just look at the size of that. Oh, my bad. Let me turn this off, man. Turn this off real quick, man. I'm trying to have nobody interrupt the times, but just check out the size of this thing right here, man. Goodness gracious. Look at that. Just the size of it. It's just immaculate. It's like, I got big hands. So just look at that. Let's go ahead and open it up, man. Let's stop talking about it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, this is a big burrito, man. Look at this. Look at the size of the burrito to my head. That's a big burrito, bro. Ooh, check it out. Check it out. Go ahead and lay that down like that, as you can see. Oh, wait. Boy, them pepper. I think it's the there's a pepper that I had them put on it. So I think that's what's making me sneeze. I gotta get some of this Kool-Aid in here real quick, man. Y'all already know what I'm rocking with right now. That Hawaiian punch. Go ahead. Get some of that real quick. You know what I'm saying? Some of that good Hawaiian punch right now. All right, let's get that out the way. Let me go ahead and wet my whiskers real quick. All right, now we're back into it now. Guys, look at the burrito that I just got. I want y'all to look at this. Just look at the burrito. It's so. I'm about to open it up for you guys. So y'all can see everything that I just got in this burrito. It's amazing. Hold on. Let me open it up like that so y'all can see it. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Right there. Look at all of that goodness in there. Y'all see that? Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I'm opening up just a little bit more for you guys. Oh, that's the whole burrito right there. Check that out. Oh, this is about to go down. And I got that steak all the way up in there, you know, in the back. Yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see it? Yeah. Let's go ahead and get into it real quick. We're about to get into it real quick. You know what I'm saying? We're about to get into it real quick. All right, guys. Let's get it. Ooh. I got to go ahead and roll this thing back up real quick. About to bring me back to the West Coast. All right. All right, you guys, y'all ready? It's always the first bite that's always the best. It's always the best. Let me get a good first bite. Okay. Now that's a good first bite. Look at that. I destroyed the burrito within the first bite. Simply destroyed the burrito and within the first bite. Crazy. Guys, this is good. This is really, really good. That's what we're about to do. I might just keep on eating. Keep on eating. I can taste all the pepper. The steak. The cheese. The onion pepper. I mean the onions and the pepper. Oh. Let me put this beast down. I'm gonna put this beast down and I'm about to zoom in. I want you guys to see what I'm working with. I want you guys to see what I'm working with real quick. Cause I don't think y'all understand what is going on. Look at that. Look how the burrito just opened it up by itself. It's like, yes, look at me. Look at all of the beautiness. Just so beautiful. Look at it. The steak, the brown rice, the onions, the lettuce, the tomatoes. Oh my gosh, look at that. Guys, let's just go ahead and just admire that. Oh man, so nice. Oh my gosh, they don't make burritos like this no more. Goodness gracious, look at the detail. Just over there destroying it, man. This burrito had no chance, man. Had no chance against the Whaatwaa family, man. Just didn't have no chance. All right, let me roll this thing back up. Get it back nice and tight. All right, y'all ready? So I'm working with. I'm about to find a good entry hole. Entry hole. Okay, all right. Here we go. Look at it. Guys, I want y'all to be able to see everything I'm saying right now. Like, this is amazing. Let me pull it up close. Look at that. All the rice and stuff just everywhere. Y'all see it? Yeah, I'm about to kill it. Get back on me real quick. Hold on. I'm going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, man. I'm getting popping. Bruh, this burrito is so wet. I'm thinking it's the corn, but it could be the lettuce. It's just so wet, like just juicy. Always gotta have some good Kool-Aid. Let's keep going, man. Y'all see I got that steak right there. Just the last little bit. I'm go ahead and get every bit of greens back in. Close that back up like that. Whaatwaa family, y'all think I can get this whole thing in my mouth? Pause. But y'all know what I mean, man. This is the eating channel. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Let's see if I can get this. If I get all of this right here in my mouth, I should be able to get, y'all should hit the like button. Because this is the last big piece. Some people might eat it in 3 bites. Some people might eat it in 2. I'm gonna eat it in 1 bite. Here we go. Whaatwaa family. Whaatwaa East Gaming. Let's get it. See, a lot of y'all think this is easy, right? It's not. This is not chicken, shredded chicken, or beef. That was steak. Steak chunks. Y'all know how hard it is to chew steak chunks? Chunks of steak? Man. Definitely gotta go floss. Yes. Woo. Whaatwaa family, I just did it for y'all, man. It's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa, man. Get down in the comment section, man. Let me know what you think about the video. If you got a restaurant you want me to go to, let me know in the comment section. I'll go in there. We'll get there. Woo. I didn't know Chipotle had a little bit of pepper in there. It got a little pepper in it. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Why? Because I post videos every day. So if you enjoyed the video, please put a like on the video. Also, remember, get down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video. If you got a suggestion of another restaurant we should go to, let me know and I will go there. Other than that, guys, I just want y'all to stay safe, eat safe, and just take care, man. It's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa, man. I'm about to, you know, go chill. Man, y'all take care, man. It's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa. Whaatwaa!